Leetcode medium problem 3479, fruits into baskets, number 3. So we do have a easier version of this same problem, which is problem 3477. The only difference is the length of the array. It is 100 for the easy version, and it is 10,000, 100,000 for this medium problem. We're gonna do the same thing. So we go through the all fruit. For each fruit, we find out the basket that could fit for this fruit while counting the unplaced fruit at the same time. So go through the fruit, find the basket, and count the unplaced fruit. In this medium version, we're gonna do the same thing. We go through all the fruit, which is step number 1. Step number 2, we're gonna find out the basket. Then do the counting. The only difference is because this array gonna be huge, very long, we have to put time complexity into consideration. Though there's a way to do this is segment tray. So with this segment tray, it's gonna help us for the time complexity to find a basket we need. So with this class segment tree, we do the init. We build this data structure. All we need is query something from this segment tree, and we also have to update the tree. Then after that, we just do the same thing as the one in the easy version, step 1, 2, 3.